everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kimmy from Kimmy and Sparkle, and I'm an independent consultant for Close to My Heart. And today I thought I would share with you June's stamp of the month. This one here. It is called Garden Tags. See, so it's got some lovely sunflowers here, and this one's also got some sunflowers but a little bit more garden, and this one's a lovely dragonfly. And then we also have another one that's got gardens, but you've also got a few other bits. So we've got a nice sunflower here. Yeah, and we've got our to and from, so you can add them because they are tags. So you can add them ones. Along with the this stamp set is also some coordinating thin cuts. So these are sold separately. And these are called Tags and Tabs, and they are in our current catalogue. Alright, so they coordinate with those. So you can use these on their own and you could fussy cut them out, or you could grab the thin cut. Use your cuddle bug to cut them out. Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to show you was this card that I created. I've used just the thin cuts on this one, so I've cut out 2 tags and made a nice birthday card. So that would, and I'm also using the current paper pack for this month, which is stitched together, and it's got that lovely floral design on there. Okay, so that's that one. The other one that I wanted to show you was a layout that I created. Okay, using the stamps. So they're here and here, and using all the thin cuts that I cut out as well. So I've got 2 spots for 4x4 photos, and then I've just added a load of the design using the same paper, the stitched together paper as well. So you've got some floral here, but if you have a look closely, here's that thin cut with the stamp image on it. And I've coloured it in using our Spectrum Noir tri-blend markers. And the other one, I don't know if you can see it, is this one here. This one was just using the single flower, the sunflower, and again I just coloured it. Just gives it a little bit more down here, and I've got some small ones here just to give it some different effects on this. This layout, I'm actually going to put a photo of me and my mum and a photo of me and my children on here. And I just put a title on there called Sweet Life. Now I have stamped all of the stamps out individually, so we'll just move this out of the way just so you get an idea of what they all look like. So this one is the one with the sunflowers. This one is a garden, and it's got a few sayings on there: love, friendship, happiness. This one's is more of a garden too, but I think they're either, well, I guess they could be daisies or sunflowers on that one. And this one has a dragonfly on it, and it says courage, strength, happiness. So yeah, so you can either leave them, you know, like this as you wanted, and attach them, and you could put two to and from on the back there and attach them to a gift, or you could colour them in, attach them to a card. Yeah, so yeah, that is the 4 designs there. I think my favourite, they're really nice, all of them are really nice, but I think I do like this one, the sunflowers, but I am a little bit partial to the dragonfly as well. Let me know in the comments down below which one's your favourite. So that is our stamp of the month. It is currently available now. So the full current price is $34 Australian. However, if you spend $80 on an order on my website, then you can purchase this stamp set for just $9. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed seeing the June stamp of the month. I'm sure there'll be lots of stuff that I can create with this. These would be good for if you were going to give a present. Maybe you could attach it to a pot plant. Thanks so much for watching and subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.